What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. For those of you who are new here, my name is Tamara. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Welcome. Hi. While you're here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up to let me know how much you guys enjoyed this video. So today I have another skincare video for you guys. I have finished up my entire nighttime skincare routine except for one important piece that I just started to implement into my routine, and that is an anti-aging facial massage. So I love to do my facial massage because I like to see the anti-aging benefits it gives me. No, I am not really old. However, prevention is key, and taking care of my skin is something that's very important to me. I appreciate aging. Aging is obviously a blessing. Aging every day is a blessing. Living another day is a blessing. However, no one wants to look like a troll. So therefore, I have started implementing this into my skincare routines. And a lot of my skincare also has anti-aging properties. So I just thought this would be something good to implement into my routine as well. So facial massages are great because they help relieve tension in your face. I'm just reading off my phone some of the benefits. So they help relieve tension. They increase circulation. It's a natural facelift. So it's a lot cheaper than going to a surgeon to get a facelift. It helps products absorb into the skin better. And also you look younger, which is why I'm doing it. So I like to do my face massaging with a Jade roller. These are very popular. I'm sure everyone has seen this before. I purchased mine from Amazon. I love it. So like I said, I've been doing this for a few weeks now. So I kind of just wanted to share with you guys how I do it for anti-aging purposes. So first things first, before I use my Jade roller on my skin, I do use some sort of face oil or face cream or something to help the roller roll a little bit smoothly on my skin. So today I'm going to be using the Virgin Marula oil, and this is just a product from Drunk Elephant that I like to use. You can use any oil of your choice. Obviously, it's up to you. But I'll use like a pump or a pump and a half, depending on how much I just want on my face. Like, see, I used a pump and I think I need like a little bit more. So I'll just use 2 pumps on my face. And don't mind, I'm gonna be looking in the mirror a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. I'll go under there a little bit. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm just going to take my Jade roller. Now, you can put this in the refrigerator if you want. It'll give a nice cooling effect to your skin. You don't have to. I didn't tonight. I'm just going to do it as it's already a little cool because it's cooler in my house. So let's begin. So I'm just pretty much going to start like at my jawline and kind of just work my way up. So I do it 3 times and just move on up. Just like so. It feels so good. It's nice and cool to my skin. I had a long day, you guys. I'm just gonna go to the other side. And just keep working my way up. And now this is the way I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna roll it up toward my forehead. And then up on my forehead. It feels super weird on your forehead because you have like less fat and under your forehead. Like you're literally just rolling it on your bone. So it's so strange. Forgive me. I'm like looking at myself in the viewfinder. That way I'm not turned completely around. I'm just gonna take it over my temple and I'm gonna roll my way up. There are so many different ways to do this. Like I've seen people do this like so many different ways. So I'm not quite sure if there's like a right way or a wrong way. I do know you want to roll up. And also then I'll take the smaller side and I'll just roll out my eyes just like that. And then same thing on this side. And then also because like I do have natural smile lines, I'll go right where my smile lines are. And go up, do it for each side. And you can do it 3 times. I do mine like 3 to 5 times. And I will also take this to my neck because why not? Your neck is important as well. I think it's so stupid, or it looks so stupid when people have like this really nice face that you can tell they've gotten like work done on, but then like their neck just looks horrible. It's like you have to take care of your neck and your little décolletage area too. Like you can't just neglect that. I think it's like so dumb, but whatever. Not my business. Yeah, that felt, oh, guys, that felt so good. Like I'm just gonna do it a little bit more. It feels so good, you guys. You should definitely try it. It's also really good for lymphatic drainage as well. Yeah, so this is just what I like to do and something I have implemented into my skincare routine that I wanted to share with you guys. I think it's great. I think it's important to take care of your skin while you have, start while you're young, you guys, because it's easy to maintain than it is to like reverse. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.